Are you looking for the ultimate luau experience in Oʻahu, Hawaii? We found it at Ka Moana Luau, and the best part, it's included in our Go City all-inclusive pass. From fire twirlers and hula dancers to hands-on cultural activities and a mouth-watering Hawaiian feast, this night brings the islands to life in the most epic way possible. It's fun, it's family-friendly, and it's everything you imagine Hawaii would be. This is one night you don't want to miss. Let's go! We're headed to our fifth activity using the Go City all-inclusive pass. Excited to check out this luau. They said this one's one of the better ones. We'll let you know after we get done. When I planned it, I kind of put everything together close to the area. So I tried to maximize the time. We just finished whale watching. That ended at 5. 5:30 is when the luau starts. But we're supposed to check in like at 5:15. So gotta get close.
Start by scanning your Go City QR code. Go before that.
Yes. After running around all day, we were hungry. We were excited to check out the Hawaiian buffet dinner, and the best part, it's locally sourced. There's a line there and a line there, so 2 lines. And they even have vegan options for Melissa. Yay! The first thing I got was the fresh baked rolls, and what went well with that was the small batch of guava butter. And to make sure I'm healthy, I've been eating out so much, I got some mixed green salad with a little bit of lilikoi salad dressing. You can never have enough pineapple while you're here in Hawaii, but the thing that I was excited most about was the organic hapa rice. For sure you're not gonna go hungry. I added some noodles and of course some stir-fry veggies. My plate's getting a little full, so I asked them to just keep piling it on. I couldn't pass up the shoyu chicken or the McNut mahi mahi. And why not? Throw some kuula pork in there. But I made sure I had enough room for some dessert. Melissa enjoyed her vegan curry. You can get that by request. But here is my masterpiece. And while we were eating, there was a pre-show, and one of the coolest things was seeing a guy show us how he would go get a coconut. This looks dangerous. Come on. Rosalie, your turn.
Are you guys ready?
Woo! No way.
Come on, I said, are you ready? Woo! Everybody say jump.
Jump.
Are you free?
Make sure you get here early to check out the traditional activities like hula lessons, lei making, Hawaiian tattoos, ukulele lessons, and much more. The pre-show they had was also pretty fun. And as you can see here before the show starts, we do get 2 standard drink tickets, but Addison and Melissa decided to upgrade. I should have guessed. That's why it took forever. Oh, you too.
The spirit to harness the secret of fire.
It is deadly. Dug fire can already healing by
I thought like the hula dancing was really fun, but like it was all really fun. Like the atmosphere was just like so fun and like inviting.
What was the food?
The food was great.
Was there anything you like?
My pineapple.
The Ka Moana Luau at the Loa Tower is just one of 45 activities included with the Go City all-inclusive pass, all for one low price. It covers the splash zone seating, and you can upgrade to a different tier if you want. Save big on your next trip and support our channel by clicking the affiliate link in the description below.
Clap. Come on, louder.
A luau is more than just a dinner. It's a celebration of Hawaiian culture. Luau has a real deep history. They started after King Kamehameha II ended an old taboo that kept men and women from eating together. That moment led to the joyful feast we now call luau's, used to celebrate everything from birthdays to weddings.
Well, I just liked how they were putting the fire in their mouths, they were lighting both ends of the fire, juggling them. I would have been on fire had I been doing that.
What the heck? Okay, Rosie, you look a little tired. What happened?
I got really sleepy, and at home it is 12:49.
Oh, in Chicago? Oh man. Okay, let's go. I think it's bedtime.
Yeah.
Our night at Ka Moana Luau was truly unforgettable. From the moment we arrived, we were surrounded by music, dancing, and the warm spirit of aloha. My favorite part about all of this, it was a chance to connect as a family while learning about Hawaiian culture and history in such a beautiful setting. Moments like this is why we travel, to make memories that stick with us after the trip is over. Click right here to learn more about the 10 hidden gems of Oʻahu.